Homeopathy treatment is totally symptomatically. I will discuss some medicine on which sign and symptom which medicine will work nicely. Read that. Keep all the listed homeopathy medicine with you. Take any medicine after doctor checkup and advice. Cough, cold, headaches and fever. Some important homeopathy medicine. Aconite Napellus 6 or 30 potencies. Any acute disease comes suddenly, any violently with restlessness. Repeated dose 2 to 3 times in a small interval. Bryonia 30, 200 potency, dryness of mucous membrane that is mouth, tongue, throat, larynx, trachea, nose, lips, respiratory etc. White or yellowish coated dry tongue with too much thrust for a large quantity of cold water at the long interval. Worse from slightest motion and amelioration or better on rest. Stitching pain and hard dry large stole. Dry cough and cold from summer or exposure of cold wind. Better lying on painful side or absolute rest. Ruse toxicodendron 30, 200, 1 potency, very restless and chilly patients. Tenderness of body, joint, ligaments, muscle, gout and rheumatic pain. Aggravate in damp, rainy weather and night. Patient gets relief from pain by changing his position or on walk. Intermittent fever. Belladonna 6, 30, 200 potency, red face and eyes. Throbbing, redness of carotids, heat and burning, fever and colic pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly, headache, painful larynx, throat pain. High fever with delirium and no thrust. Boils or abscess reddies, throbbing and sensitive on tough. Repeated dose in acute disease. In high fever, low potency is very useful with ferrum phosphoricum 6x biochemic medicine with interval. Arsenicum album 30, 200 potency, burning pain, relief by heat and anxiety. All aggravate on the night and better on warm drinks. Too much restlessness, bronchitis and asthma.
Homeopathy doctors has central principle of the treatment that is similia similibus curantur, or like cures like, that means a substance that causes certain symptoms can also help to remove those symptoms. So a substance this is meant to trigger the body's natural defense. Homeopathy medicine are made of those substance that trigger the body's natural defense. Homeopathy medicine has least side effect on body. Depending upon the requirement, those substance and homeopathy medicine changes. Sometime homeopathy treatment action can be slow, but it is very effective to treat so many diseases or health condition. So that's why so many people regularly consult homeopathy doctor, it is became popular. Patient always search for a good homeopathy doctor. Homeopathy doctors mainly focused on body and immunity system. One way it's very nice, if you kill a microorganism then again it can come, then again you can get the disease, can get side effects. But homeopathy medicine trigger the body natural defense, then our body immunity will fight against that microorganism, we can kill those microorganism and you won't get the disease or you will get relief from the disease. All the virus, bacteria, fungus etc. reft as a microorganism. Homeopathy medicines mainly work upon symptoms of disease, that is why we say homeopathy medicine works symptomatically. All person has different body structure, they have different body immunity system and they has different symptoms. A homeopathy doctor identify that and they prescribe the medicines according to patient need, so visit to a doctor for proper treatment. Subscribe our YouTube channel Medical Help 365 Days to see medical related videos.